Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet Small Bites Dry Dog Food. If your little dog has a taste for variety, treat him or her to the savory lamb flavor of Hill's Science Diet Small Bites Adult Dry Dog Food, packed with omega-6s and vitamin E to give your small canine healthy skin and a shiny fur coat. This premium dry food for adult miniature dogs also provides quality protein to help maintain muscle. The small kibble is perfect for small and toy breeds, and since adult dogs need a strong gut, natural fibers help promote healthy digestion. This adult dog food made with natural ingredients is specially formulated with decades of cutting-edge research to be a great-tasting meal your grown dog can truly enjoy. There's more to love with the new look of Science Diet. Some of our products also have new names, new kibble shapes and new formulas. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Adult Wet Dog Food. There are lots of high-end canned dog foods on the market, but when you have to feed wet food every day that can take a huge toll on your wallet, Blue Buffalo's recipe is not only affordable, but it offers your pet the key nutrients they need in all sorts of tasty formulas. Real beef, chicken, fish, lamb, or turkey is the main ingredient in this pâté-like food. There are no artificial flavors or preservatives and no added corn, wheat, or soy. You can feed this wet food as a complete diet or mix it into dry kibble to make it more delicious. At number 3, we have the Purina Pro Plan Puppy Chicken and Rice Dry Dog Food. Also a favorite with veterinarians, this popular Purina puppy food is a step above some of the company's more basic offerings. Each formula features protein, meat, poultry, or salmon, as the main ingredient and has added probiotics and antioxidants. It's fortified with DHA for brain and vision development, omega-6 fatty acids for skin and coat, as well as all the minerals and nutrients you'd expect for a growing puppy. There are no artificial colors or flavors and the cost is relatively affordable. There are also recipes for puppies from small to large sizes and for special health needs such as sensitive skin and stomach. At number 2, we have the Nutro Natural Choice Senior Dog Dry Food. As dogs age, they might need fewer calories but they have changing nutrient needs. This formula has extra calcium to support strong bones and joints, fiber for digestion, and antioxidants for a healthy immune system. The main ingredient is either chicken or lamb, depending on the recipe. The food is made without corn, wheat, soy protein, or GMOs. It's also available in small breed senior and large breed senior for special formulas tailored to the needs of small and large aging dogs. And finally at number 1, we have the Merrick Healthy Grains Dry Dog Food. Featuring tiny kibble that's easier to eat, this food for small dogs has chicken as the primary ingredient. The recipe features high amounts of glucosamine and chondroitin for healthy joints and omega fatty acids for healthy skin and coat. The Texas-based company uses ancient whole grains such as quinoa to promote digestion. The ingredient list is filled with familiar whole foods like carrots and apples with no preservatives, fillers, corn, or soy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.